So this is my project regarding smart dustbin with Arduino. So let's see the working of this project. So let's see one more time that how it works. So you can give the delay according to your choice. You can give the delay to 5 to 10 seconds also, or 5 to 10 minutes also. So it totally depends on you on and your coding, that what type of delay you want to give. So this is what about the entire project. So now I am taking you to the laptop screen, from where I will describe you about the circuit diagram and the coding. Thank you. Now I am telling about the code of this entire project. So in the code, the first thing is the definitions or the defining of the pins. You can use any number of pins as per your choice. So I have used here the 5 number pin as the trick pin. So you can use 6, 7, 8 or any one. Okay. Eco pin is 6, servo pin is 7, and the LED. Though I have not used the LED in this project, but you can use as the checking purpose, that if the signal is coming good or not. Okay, so this is totally up to you. The first column, sorry, the first para, and the second is the setup, which is almost same, and measurement. This is how you want to measure. Okay, means after what delay you wants to uh, keep the motor off. Okay, so it is up to you also. And then this is the loop. This is the measurement, actually delay on the measurements. And this is the distance, or means if you want to, here I have written also, change distance as per your need. So you can use the distance as per your need. Okay, so if you want to delay for 5 seconds, okay, then you can use 5. Then here you can change also 50 to 5 you can do. So it is up to you. So this is about the code for this project, okay, in Arduino, which you have to verify and compile. Okay, the second thing is the connection. Okay, for the connection I have used the HCSR04 and the servo motor. So the HCSR04 having the 4 pins, that is VCC, trig, eco and GND. So VCC is connected with the 5V as usual, and trig pin is that is up to you, that in which pin you want to uh, uh, insert it. So you can use the jumper verse for that. And this is up to you, that which pin you want to use. So I have used your 5 number pin for the trig. Then eco, I have used the 6. So you must remember that every pins must be digital or PWM. Okay, so here you can use any of the pins up to 13. Okay, next is the GND. Eco is connected with the 6 and GND is connected with the GND. Now for in case of the servo motor, so servo motor having the 3 types of wires or pins, you can say. So the first yellow wire is connected with the 7. You can use in 8 or 9 also. This is actually the uh, signal carrying wire. Okay, the middle one is the red wire, which is connected with the 3V. This is for the power supply of the servo motor. And the last one is the GND, which is connected with the GND of the Arduino. So and in GND and Vin I have inserted the 9V. Okay, so that's all about the connection or the circuit diagram of the entire project. So you can use it and make your own project. Okay, so I think this video is helpful for you. So if you like it, then please comment below that in what topics you want to see the further videos regarding any another project regarding Arduino or anything. Okay, so that's all about the video. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Okay.